I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything.
For a bunch of people get there, and everybody's going. Nobody's staying home. So enjoy your day off, because tomorrow we're going. You heard what I said. I ain't playing. I ain't asking. Huh? You want us to drive all the way to Home Goods? Can't you just look online at the fucking Home Goods? Who's supposed to go? Who's supposed to go? Well, when is she gonna wake up? You can go this weekend. Tell her to get her ass going too. She don't need to sit around and do nothing.
Hey, do we go in on next Tuesday? Well, that day's not on
You're
our
just a
payroll.
hustler, huh?
That day goes
That
on the
nigga love
following
that money.
check.
She like, man, I want to get that money.
You're making a mess, bro.
You're staining my shit. He just
Condor.
looks at you like,
And then he puts the strawberry on Dad's shorts. Why? Come on. Come on, pretty
Ma,
bird.
I put my finger to the thing like that, and the fucking
Pretty
bird changed the
bird.
thing and was going like
Step
that,
up.
trying to rub my
Come
finger
on, Condor.
with
Come
his
on.
head. They lied about this guy being
Hand trained.
hand trained.
Don't fight. Okay, you gotta be nice.
He try to bite you again?
Because I trapped him.